We are at the rear of the ship, looking up at the tower. You can see guns pointing off to the side. More guns there. This is the mess deck area. Looks very much the same as the ship I was on. Maybe ours was just a little bigger. But we sure didn't have a Pepsi machine and all that good stuff. We were basic. This is the kitchen area. And they got what, 5, 6, 7 huge pots. That's where they make their meals. This would be the bakery, where they make the bread, pies, and everything else, cakes. And it looks like this bread's a little well done.
More bread. Bread for days.
This is the donut shop. Check out all these delicious donuts.
Don't mess up the donut shop. Oh, this is the donut shop?
Back in June 1967, I was over there somewhere where those two ships are. We had just returned from Vietnam after doing a 3-month tour over there. And they gave us about 5 days of R&R here in Hawaii, which I thoroughly enjoyed, and unfortunately that was the last time I was here 51 years ago. All of Hawaii has changed tremendously in the 50 years. So this pretty much ends our tour. It was a very quick walk through the ship. The ship is a little more modernized than the one I was on. Even as old as it is, they did modernize it quite a bit.